Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the error message. The Google Assistant is not available for this account on your Android or iPhone device. If you are facing this problem, don't worry, I will got the step-by-step solution for you. Okay, let's start. See, this is the problem. The Google Assistant is not available for this account. Solve this problem. First, open your Google Play Store app and now search here Google Assistant and click on the Google Assistant and check update your Google Assistant. My Google Assistant app already updated. Okay, back. Second step, go to your phone settings and scroll down, click on the apps icon and now search here Assistant. See, this is the Assistant app. Scroll down, click on the storage, clear check, clear data, delete the data, back. Now click on the permission option, allow all permission, go back and restart your phone and open again your phone. I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.